Hello, in this video we shall know about one of the most important fused heterocyclic compound, that is indole. The IUPAC name of indole is 1,H-benzo-B-pyrrole, where the pyrrole ring is fused to benzene ring at the B phase. Introduction. Indole is found in coal tar and in essential oils of many plants such as jasmine oil, orange oil and so on. Indole is one of the most widely distributed heterocyclic compound in nature. In alkalides like brucine and distuff as indigo. It also found in amino acids as a plant growth hormone, that is indole 3 acetic acid. Tryptophan is an essential amino acid and as such is a constituent of most proteins. It also serves as biosynthetic precursor for a wide variety of tryptamine, indole and 2,3-dihydroindole derivatives containing secondary metabolites. Indole also have medicinal importance. For example, indomethacin is used for the treatment of rheumatoid arthritis. Indole alkaloids are used in treating leukemia. Indole regulates various bacterial physiology such as pore formation, plasmid stability and so on. Properties of indole. Indole is a colorless solid forming leaflet crystals. It is moderately soluble in water and completely soluble in most organic solvents. The melting point of indole is 52 degrees Celsius. Pure indole has a pleasant odor and hence used as a perfume base. Indole in high dilution has a pleasantly flowery aroma. Substituted indoles, that is 3-methyl indole, has an unpleasant fecal-like odor. Resonance. Indole consists of nitrogen heterocycle. The lone pair of nitrogen on the nitrogen involved in the delocalization forming a following resonance structures. Indole is an aromatic compound. It is a cyclic planar molecule with conjugated system. It has sp2 hybridization. Every carbon in the ring has a p orbital and the pi cloud of each compound contains 5 pairs of electrons. A lone pair of electrons on the indole nitrogen are part of pi cloud. It obeys the Huckel rule of aromaticity. Hence, indole is an aromatic compound. Synthesis. Indole can be synthesized in many different methods. In that, I have concentrated on 3 methods of synthesis. The first, the Fischer-Indole synthesis. Fischer-Indole synthesis involves an acid-catalyzed rearrangement of phenyl hydrazone of an aldehyde or ketone with the elimination of ammonia, and the reaction is given. Mechanism. Phenylhydrazine reacts with an aldehyde or ketone, gives a phenylhydrazone. This phenylhydrazone undergo tautomerization and the tautomerized compound undergo orthoclason type rearrangement, that is 3,3 sigmotropic rearrangement in presence of a Lewis acid such as zinc chloride to give cyclized product, that is indole derivative with the elimination of ammonia. Next is the Bischler synthesis. In this, an alpha arylo amino ketone or aldehyde prepared from the halo precursor and an aryl amine which on eating with Lewis acid gives indole derivative. Mechanism. Alpha arylo ketone was prepared from aniline and alpha bromoacetophenone. They undergo an intramolecular aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction via electrophilic cyclization under acid catalysis to form an intermediate, which is followed by elimination of water to produce an indole. Next is the Rizet synthesis. It is a base catalyzed condensation of orthonitrotoluene with a ethyl oxalate in presence of sodium ethoxide base. The resulting orthonitrophenyl pyruvate or corresponding acid after hydrolysis undergo reductive cyclization in acid media, that is zinc in acetic acid gives indole derivative. The reaction is given. Mechanism: orthonitrotoluene in presence of base gives a carbene. This carbene gets substituted to the ethyl oxalate by giving a orthonitrophenyl pyruvate. This orthonitrophenyl pyruvate undergo hydrolysis to give an acid, and in presence of zinc in acetic acid, the nitro group undergo reduction giving a amine. This amine group gets substituted to the carbonyl carbon and cyclized to give a indole 2 carboxylic acid. This indole 2 carboxylic acid at high temperature liberates carbon dioxide to give an indole. Indole undergo many chemical reactions. In that, the electrophilic substitution reaction is also one. Indole is an pi excessive and the electron density on carbon atom is greater than benzene. Therefore, it reacts easily with electrophile and substitution takes place in electrocyclic ring. The reactivity of indole is regiospecific at position 3 and it is explained by resonance form. The orientation of electrophilic attack was explained using its resonance form. The attack of electrophile on C2 position generates a carbocation which distributes on the ring as well as on the heteroatom. But the charge on the heteroatom no longer possesses benzenoid ring. While the attack on C3 does not permit effective distribution of charge around the ring, but the electron pair on the heteroatom is used sufficiently and aromaticity of benzene ring is retained. Therefore, C3 is more preferable than C2. If C3 is occupied, the attack occurs at C2 position. And the resonance forms are given here. Here are some electrophilic substitution reaction, that is sulfonation, nitration, Mannich reaction, halogenation. And these reactions are discussed in coming slides. First is nitration. Indole is nitrated at low temperature in non-acidic medium with benzenol nitrate in presence of methyl cyanide solvent at 0 degree Celsius giving 3-nitro-indole. Next is sulfonation. Sulfonation is carried out in mild condition using pyridine sulfur trioxide complex in excess of pyridine. Gives indole 3-sulfonic acid. Pyridine in sulfur trioxide, it forms a pyridine sulfur trioxide complex. This complex gets substituted to the C3 position of the indole, which gives indole 3-sulfonic acid. Next is halogenation. In halogenation, bromination and iodination are discussed. In bromination, indole can be brominated by using bromine in pyridine at 0 degree Celsius gives 3-bromo-indole and the reaction is given. Iodination. Indole on treating with iodine in DMF, dimethyl formamide, in presence of potassium hydroxide at room temperature forms 3-iodo-indole and the reaction is given. Mannich reaction. It is an electrophilic substitution reaction in which indole undergo amino alkylation. Indole interacts with formaldehyde and dimethylamine in presence of acetic acid form the natural product, that is 3-dimethyl aminomethyl indole and the reaction is given. Next is Wills-Meyer reaction. The Wills-Meyer reaction is the most efficient route to synthesize 3-formyl indols. Indol on treating with POCl3 in DMF at 5 degrees Celsius gives indol 3 aldehyde, and the reaction is given. Reaction with carbenes. Indol reacts with dichlorocarbene or allocarbene undergo ring expansion to give an quinoline derivative. The dichlorocarbene gets substituted to the C2C3 carbon and it undergo ring expansion reaction. Next is the nucleophilic substitution reaction. N-alkyl indol reacts with N-butyl lithium in ether solvent, gives an intermediate which is used in synthesis of indol derivatives. Next is reaction with oxidizing agent. C2C3 double bond in substituted indols can be cleaved using different reagents, that is oxidizing agents such as oxygen, ozone, sodium hypoiodate or perbenzoic acid and so on. In here, 3-methyl indol reacts with sodium periodate in presence of an aqueous methanol at room temperature, yield ortho form amino acetophenone, and the reaction is given. And this completes the reaction indol, introduction, synthesis and few chemical reactions of indol. Thank you.